In this video, we're going to talk about what artificial intelligence even is. So to start with that, let's just break down these words, artificial and intelligence. And we could start with intelligence. What does that mean to you? Well, for most of us, we associate intelligence with things that our brains, that our minds are doing. Things like solving problems. Solving problems. Maybe logic, maybe playing games, especially games that involve the mind, games like chess or checkers, playing games, making recommendations. We could also imagine things like creativity, making things that have never existed before, whether it's a painting or whether it is a story of some kind. And I could keep going, and you can come up with your own list of what do you associate with intelligence? What do you think makes you or me intelligent? Now let's think about this other word here, artificial. Artificial, and it comes from the same root as art or artifact. It's really something that has been made. So something made by humans, usually by us. I guess if an alien civilization made something, that would also be considered artificial. You could also view it as something that would not exist naturally. So it doesn't exist naturally. So, or exist in nature. So, for example, my intelligence, if you think I'm intelligent, is natural intelligence. It exists in nature. It comes out of a biological system, my brain. While what we're going to talk about in a little bit are forms of intelligence or things that might be called intelligence that we made that doesn't exist in nature. Now, a lot of y'all have seen science fiction movies where there is some type of a robot. And this is my very quick drawing of a robot right over here that can talk and walk and do a lot of the things that we would consider intelligent. And if robots like that ever exist, and really every day we're getting closer and closer, but if they ever existed, these are science fiction's images of what an artificial intelligence would be. And it doesn't need to have a body. You could have something that you just talk to. There's science fiction movies where the spaceship, you can talk to it and you have a conversation with it. And it seems intelligent, but it was created by man. It is artificial. It did not exist in nature by itself.